guys, my name's Lacey and this is my 2017 F-350 build and I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. So when I first thought of the idea for this build, I wanted the wheels to be the main focus. I wanted them to be really wild. So I actually did all 4 wheels a different color. So I've got these 26 by 16 American Force Guardians and every single one's different. So we have a variation of all Prismatic Powders colors. We've got Illusion Shocker Yellow, and then Illusion Pink, and then Akbar Teal. And I powder coated them myself, and I'm kind of digging how they turned out. And the American Force wheels are wrapped in Toyo Open Countries 40 by 15 and a half. And then if you can't tell, it's a little bit wider than a normal F-350, so I have the Mcneil Racing fiberglass, the bed sides, and the front fenders, and that's one of my favorite parts of the truck. And don't mind this, it's a work truck and it gives it extra horsepower and aerodynamics, so just, it's fine. The lift kit is an 8-inch Pro Comp from 4 Wheel Parts, and I powder coated it gloss black with shattered glass top coat from Prismatics. And I initially wanted that to be the sparkly part of the truck, then decided to paint the whole truck sparkly. So if you guys notice, you can see it a little better in the sunlight and in person, but the entire truck was painted by Damon at LTD Motorworx here in Utah. And we just kind of went hard with the flake, you know, just kind of lacied it up a little bit. So that's probably my main favorite part of the build. So, and then we have my custom logos that were put on the truck by Wurx. And you know, we got the sparkles. We just got sparkles everywhere. Wurx even wrapped the Pro Comp shocks. So we've got sparkles here. Powder coated the springs with sparkles. It's just a big old sparkly truck. So one of my other favorite little details of the truck is this light up front emblem from my good friends at Diesels of Dallas, and it is color matched to match the truck. So the lift install and any fabrication was done by my good friends at Fubazi Fab here in Utah. And then the paint, like I said, and then also the install of the fiberglass was done by LTD Motorworx here in Utah as well. So I think we built a pretty awesome truck. I'm happy with it and got to be a part of it with some of my favorite people.